The global market for dermatology products is quite significant. It's worth more than about $40 billion a year. So these are things that are prescribed by doctors and physicians. They're not things that you go to the chemist for and buy yourself. So within that whole market, acne is about a $5 billion a year market, and dermatitis is about a $7 billion a year market. And what's interesting about these markets is that there's been very little innovation over the last 20 years, to the point where, as an example, in acne, there have been no new drugs approved for acne in more than 20 years. So acne is a very significant market. We all know someone, or we've even had acne ourselves in the course of our life. And patients generally start with a mild treatment which either addresses the infection or the inflammation that's associated with acne. The only drug that's ever been developed that actually has an effect on the underlying production of oil carries significant side effects, which include suicidal risks and also lymphoma. So really the goal of what we're doing at Botanix is to develop a product with significant efficacy, but without the baggage of many of the products in the acne market. So atopic dermatitis is also known as severe eczema. So unfortunately, kids develop eczema very early in life, as early as age 1 or age 2, and they can carry it through later childhood and even into adulthood. Most of the drugs that are used in this area initially comprise steroids, which can't be used for extended periods of time in kids because they stunt growth, before they need to move on to more serious therapies, which also carry with them significant side effects. So the opportunity here for Botanix is to develop an effective product that deals with the lesions and the itch associated with dermatitis, but with a very benign side effect profile.